Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Green color, pink color, orange color, chocolate color, light green color, blue color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, star, diamond and square. First we're going to draw the shapes. Heart, circle, triangle, star, diamond, square. Now we're going to put the color. Pink color, heart, blue color, circle, green color, triangle, orange color, star, light green color, diamond, chocolate color, square, what we learned pink color, heart, blue color, circle, green color, triangle, orange color, star, light green color, diamond, chocolate color, square. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.